Hey guys, it's Greg at Area 419. It's been a little bit since we've done this, so I want to walk you through our entire Hellfire muzzle device family and talk about which ones might be best for you and your application. To start off, the core of the Hellfire system is this little guy right here, the universal adapter. This is part of our patented Hellfire mounting system. And basically the way it works is we have these universal adapters, but you thread this onto the end of your rifle with a 5/8 hex end, open end, box end, wrench, socket, whatever you've got, and it's non-directional. You just spin it on. There's no tricks to it. Then anything that's on the table in front of me can attach and, if appropriate, time to this using the threads we've got here, this square shoulder we've got here, and or the shallow taper device we've got here if we need to time it. Let me walk through all the different things that you can put on this Hellfire universal adapter. I've got just a little barrel stub here that I'm gonna use, and let's pretend this is a 5/8 24 barrel. This is spun onto the end. Obviously, we make these in different thread pitches. If this was half 28, 9/16 24, whatever, we could also adapt, but we're adapted. So item number one, this is our linear flash suppressor. This is a do-all type item for anything that creates muzzle signature that you want to reduce the flash on. This is not going to do a lot for you from a recoil standpoint, but if you're looking for a flash suppressor for a carbine, or you've got a short barreled rifle that puts out quite a lot of signature, you want to shoot it in low light situation, this is a great one for you. And that one, to install it, everything threads on left hand, by the way. All you do is spin it on. Easy does it. So that's the LFS. The next one in the lineup we're going to talk about is the Hellfire 2-port. This is the shortest, this is the least expensive break in the lineup. It does a good job of knocking down recoil without being inordinately large or inordinately loud. The 2-port is one that we originally made for kind of braked carbine use, so let's think about that DMR type rifle you may have, like the one behind me here that's currently set up. The next one is the OG Hellfire, the 3-port. We rolled this out in 2016. It's been a standard bearing product for us all along. If you want a muzzle brake that does it all and fits on a huge variety of rifles, from a match rifle to something you're hunting with, the Hellfire, the OG, this one, there are many, many, many thousands of them around the world in all sorts of different use cases. This is the do-all. Next is a relatively new one for us. This is the Hellfire Titanium. It's a little bit larger. It is titanium. It is lighter. It actually uses the first 3 ports of geometry out of our Hellfire match. If you've got a big kind of beat-on-you Magnum that you're using in the hunting world that you're trying to keep weight off of for those hunts, the Hellfire Titanium is a really great one for you. This one, interestingly, is available in up to 50 cal. No, it's not for 50 BMG, but if you've got a 450 Bushmaster or something of that sort that you want to feed, the Hellfire Titanium is really great for that. And finally, we've got in the brake side our Hellfire match. This is our flagship product for competitors out there or people wanting the most muzzle control possible out of a brake in our lineup. It's gonna eat a ton of recoil with progressive port geometry upward that helps you both keep blast off the shooter as well as keep the muzzle down under fire. The Hellfire match is our highest performance brake in the Hellfire family. It's an excellent, excellent choice for anybody that's really looking for that all-the-way performance. Finally, we have our suppressor adapter line. To get into it, you can take really most of the suppressors on the market. This is a Silencer Co. Scythe Titanium. We really like it. It's a hub mount suppressor. You spin the back out of or get to your hub threads, and we can spin a suppressor adapter into the back that then just spins onto your universal adapters. We've got this in a lot of configurations. Obviously, we'll put those on the screen, and even options inside specific configurations. So this is the hub or the Silencer Co. Bravo. You're gonna see this in stainless, you're gonna see this in titanium, as well as options with or without an internal baffle. But guys, this is the entire Hellfire family. It stems from the universal adapter and then gives you a huge variety of muzzle devices that can work on and off of different rifles and be standardized inside your vault. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and until next time.